Bearings are key components in mechanical equipment, serving to support rotating parts, reduce friction, and maintain stability in motion. Common types of bearings include ball bearings, ruler bearings, needle bearings, thrust bearings, plain bearings, and bushing bearings. Different types of bearings are suitable for different loads, speeds, and working requirements. In CNC machining, we can manufacture various bearing-related parts such as stainless bearings housings, aluminum alloy bearing casings, copper alloy bushings, and BOM or PTFE sliding bearings. For high-precision bearing machining parts, precision machining is crucial, especially for hole size, concentricity, and surface roughness, as these factors directly affect assembly accuracy and service life. If standard bearings are required, they can be purchased directly. However, for custom needs, CNC machining offers higher flexibility, ideal for small batch production and rapid prototyping.